Hey y'all, it's Kim from Kim Dixon Creative. Welcome to my channel. Merry Christmas in July. Today I'm creating a Christmas card as part of the Maymay Made It's Pictorial design team, and I'm using a card sketch that I found online. I'm also using the paper pack A Perfect Christmas by Echo Park. I think this came out last year. I'm going to start out by cutting an A2 card base. I'm cutting it 8.5 by 5.5, and I'm going to score it at 4 1/4. This is going to create a landscape A2 top folding card. I'm using that pencil bone folder by Dress My Craft, which is awesome for your score lines. And then when I burnish my score lines down, I'm using the Ergo bone folder, which is also awesome. It's really great if you have dexterity issues. And now we're going to take our first cardstock and we're going to cut it to 5 1/4 by 4. That's going to be our main card mat. The second piece that we're going to cut is going to be cut to 5 1/4 by 1.5. And you see I've got that one side there, but I'm going to end up flipping it around and using the back side. Now this piece is going to be cut 4 1/4 by 2.5, and we're going to round the top two corners with our corner rounder. This isn't absolutely necessary, but that was the way the card sketch showed. And I do like rounding corners. I used my We Are Memory Keepers corner rounder for that. Now I'm going to take this sparkly piece and I'm going to cut it to 3.5 by 1. I'm going to punch it with my ribbon edge punch from Dress My Craft, and then I'm going to feed this ribbon through those little slots that it makes. My ribbon was actually a little bit too wide. So once I got it threaded through, you really couldn't see that it was a buffalo plaid, but it's still, the colors look good together on that card. This bead threader also made quick work of threading that ribbon through those slots. So if you don't have one, you need to get one. I'm going to take my art glitter glue and glue the ends of the ribbon down and just slice it off with my scissors, even with the edge of that card, just so it doesn't show. That art glitter glue will hold the ribbon very well. It is now, after trying other glues, I can tell you, even with barely art glue, this art glitter glue is my favorite. I won't use anything else. So now I'm going to cut a piece of white cardstock. This is Nina Solar White 110 pound. I'm going to cut it 2 1/4 by 2 1/4 and round the top two edges of it with my corner rounder. I'm going to get the sticker sheet from the paper pack A Perfect Christmas, and I'm going to use that little package and put it on that little white piece. It's time to assemble everything. I'm going to glue that piece with the corners that were rounded down to the bottom left hand corner of the main card mat. Then I'm going to use my art glitter glue and I'm going to glue the sparkle piece to the back side of the plaid piece. The plaid piece was the one that was cut 5 1/4 by 1.5. And then the little white piece I'm going to glue. It's almost centered with the sparkle punched edge piece, and then adhere that entire piece down to our card mat. It's going to go down to the bottom left corner of the main card mat, and you've got your the card mat assembled. Now we're going to take the black card base that we cut, and I'm going to glue it down to the card mat down to the card base. I'm going to stand up to do this because I can see a little better and make sure that I get it straight. I love the red and the black together. the colors just really pop off that card. Now, because I am using a black card base, I'm going to take some more Nina Solar White and cut a card mat for the inside. I'm just going to cut it at 5 1/4 by 4 to go on the inside of my card base. I'm going to get one of the stickers that says Merry Christmas and put it right at the top center of it. And I got some kind of schmutz on my cardstock, so I'm going to take my mono sand eraser and that got whatever that was off very well. I'm just going to adhere this white card mat to the inside of my card so that I'll have a place to write my sentiment and my greeting. And you see I didn't stand up and I had a hard time getting that one straight. So now I think it needs a little something else. So I'm going to take these little dewdrops. Maymay has them in her shop. They're by Dress My Craft. And I don't know, I just love them. They look like little water droplets on your card. And I'm going to put 2 sets of 3 on the card, one in the top right corner and one in the bottom left corner, one set in the bottom left corner. And just glue those down. And my little Marvy jewel picker makes that easy. It works really well. Sometimes I have a little bit of a difficult time getting it off the jewel picker, but most of the time I can kind of roll it off of that little drop and it works just fine. And the art glitter glue, again, my favorite glue. It does really well. So there we have our card. Thank you so much for stopping by the channel today and watching me make this card. I hope it inspires you to make something like it too. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, I would love it if you would do so. And hit that little bell icon so that you can be notified every time I upload a video. I'm going to have several videos coming out this month for Christmas in July, and I wouldn't want you to miss one. Like and share this video and comment. Tell me what your favorite part of Christmas is. Do you start making your Christmas cards in July, or do you wait like I normally do to December 1st and go, oh my goodness, I need all my cards done? Give me some answers down in the comments below. Thanks again for stopping by and spending some time with me today. Until next time, bye.